and welcome back to French Made Fun. In one of our previous videos, we spoke about prepositions, which are essentially words that indicate the location of an object. Some common examples are to, at, under, on, below, above, and between. The French equivalent of these words were discussed in that video. If you haven't watched that video already, I suggest you go back and check it out before you come back to this one. Today, we'll be going one step further and learning some complex prepositions because they're not just words but phrases which indicate the location of objects. They are very commonly used in the French language and they'll help you make a lot of sentences. So, beginning with tout droit, which means straight in French. So, if someone asks you what is the way to the washroom in French, and if you have to say go straight, you would say tout droit. Similarly, if you want to say to the left, you would say à gauche, and for right, you would say à droite. Then the word for north is nord in French, south is sud, west is ouest, and east is est. Nord, sud, ouest, and est. Next up, we have en face de, which means facing. That is when two things are facing each other. En face de. À côté de is next to, when one thing is positioned next to the other. À bout de is at the end of. And autour de is around. Now let's look at how these phrases are used in sentences. Le bâtiment est en face de l'école. The building is in front of the school. En face de means in front of. La mer est au bout de la rue. The sea is at the end of the street. Au bout de is at the end of. Un magasin est à côté de l'arbre. A shop is next to the tree. À côté de means next to. And lastly, la barrière est autour de la jardin, which means the fence is around the garden. Autour de means around. You can now make your own sentences using these phrases and share them in the comments below. Be as creative as you can be. This was part 2 of French prepositions. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe so that you're notified when the next video drops. Au revoir. For those of you who are looking for one-on-one classes to learn French online, please check out our website frenchmadefun.in. You can choose between our elementary, intermediate, and advanced course depending on your level of French. These courses are comprehensive and at the same time crisp and concise. They are not only cost effective but also time saving. So they are suitable for anyone who can only spare a few hours in a week to learn French. We let you choose your own days and timings no matter what part of the world you are in so that nothing comes in the way of your learning. If interested, please reach out to us and book a free trial class by clicking right here.